Adele, set fire to the rain. I am kitty cat. And I'm singing this song on a Thursday night in California. Hot Thursday night in California. I let it fall, my heart as it fell. You rose to claim me. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. The things you say, they were never true. The games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, wash it pour as I touch your face. While I burn, while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. And I lay with you. I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me, baby, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. The things you say, they were never true. The games you play, you would always win, always win. Inside a sapphire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. I burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, I threw us into the flames. I felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. The heart you got must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, can't stop myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. I cried while I burned, something died, that was the last time. Oh, let it burn. I set fire to the rain, watch it burn as I touch your face. Oh no, it was the last time. Thank you. I'm Silvana, singing in November of 2012, live from Encinitas.